Here's a video about 12 crops that you can grow in extreme heat that generally farming ignores. Well, this is a topic that came up through my YouTube analytics. I get to see, what videos are linking to my videos, and a topic came up. This is the title of it, 12 crops that grow well in extreme heat. And so I thought, let's make a video. Let's talk about that. It's coming into our hot season now. It's pretty warm. So I thought that's a good idea. So I checked it out and copied and pasted that name into the YouTube search. And I got many videos, all with pretty much exactly the same title. And all of them were AI generated. It was just this continual list of AI generated videos that quite often even had similar or the same thumbnails, even though they were on different channels. And it kind of got me thinking about, how come there's no real videos on this topic? Why is the whole list of videos that has come up when I've searched for it pretty much saying the same thing using totally AI generated content? It was all copy and paste, either stock footage or stock photos with an AI voice and definitely an AI script, and some of them were absolutely completely AI slop. Most of them though did give the list of the 12 plants, the 12 crops that you can grow in your garden and that do really well in extreme heat. I'm not going to make a video on these because I don't actually have any experience. I've probably got more experience than the AI generated information, but it's not enough to make a video on. But I will share that list with you so that you can appreciate it and enjoy it and explore more about growing some or all of these crops if you like. And in the future, maybe when I've got some experience, I will share some too. But it really is just disheartening when I search for something and can only find AI generated content. It means that I'm not doing enough, but it also means potentially that the real content that real gardeners are making is being pushed down below the AI generated content. And where's that going to leave us? It's actually leaving me more and more relying on content from video creators that I trust, who I like and subscribe to, and so their content gets pushed more into my feed. Although I am finding more and more I'm getting so much AI generated content, and most of it I'm not really watching at all, particularly if there's good, well, always if there are good videos, if there's good information that's not AI generated, then I'm going to be swinging towards this and leaning into watching this real generated content from people with experience, because I know as a gardener, I'm not going to learn everything I need to know from another gardener because they're not in my location, they don't have my soil or my climate, and they're not always planting the same crops in relation to one another as I'm planting. I can certainly learn a lot from people's shared experience though. I love it when gardeners share about the struggles that they have, or the disappointments that they've had, or the successes that they've had based on real experience, not based on some information that they've done a quick bit of research online and looked at it and thought, let's make a video. That doesn't interest me whatsoever. I want to know what it's really like to be in the garden and getting your hands dirty, and certainly that's how I come to make my videos. I'm not making videos about stuff that I don't have any experience of. I like to share my experience. I heard an interesting theory recently that we are all experts in our own experience, and that's what I like to share. I'm not an expert at anything, maybe other than my own experience, but I do like to share, and I do like to encourage people to grow food naturally, grow what's nutritious, grow lovely flowering plants and trees that will add beautiful aromas to your garden and things like this. So let me encourage you to watch real videos, to be discerning about what you're watching, particularly about AI content that is not even always accurate at this stage. I'm sure it's going to get better, but really watch real videos, and in support of your local video content producers, we would really appreciate that. And if you feel inclined to watch another gardening video to find out from a real gardener what's going on, please check out this video next. And thanks very much for watching this one all the way through.